Hi guys, Nelson here, Competition Subaru. I'm here to speak to you about the CPO process here at Competition Subaru. I'll have Chris Barcelo go over the service part of it.
Thanks, Nelson. You know, when you're talking about pre-owned vehicles, CPO gets thrown around a lot, especially in marketing, advertising. But what does that even mean? Certified by whose standards, you know? Competition Auto Group, we've been around since 1962, family owned, right? We are in the Lake Grove, St. James community predominantly, but we consider all of Long Island our community. And we like to be involved and take care of everybody there. So that's a really high standard that we have to live up to. And in combination with Subaru, we perform a 152-point Subaru-specific multi-point inspection, okay? We go over a number of systems to make sure that the cars can be safe and reliable before they're certified. In the check, we go over your major mechanical systems, you know, your engine, your drivetrain, the things that keep you moving and that matter, like your tires, interior functions and settings, your fluids too, from your seatbelt to your EyeSight, your brakes. And after all is said and done, we make sure even the exterior is up to our high standards and perfectly in great condition for you. If any of these items aren't up to our rigorous standards, our reconditioning process will make sure that prior to certification, everything is addressed and taken care of. Now back to Nelson for more information.
Now, on the sales part of it, the benefit of having a CPO is basically the process is more rigorous, as Chris described. You know, some of these cars, once the tires and the brakes are at a certain limit, they need to be replaced. There's no, you know, getting by that. So you get, most of the times you get, you know, new tires, new brakes. Also, you could also match like the benefits of the CPO would be also on the financial side of it. You could get financing competitive rates, you know, better than just a regular pre-owned car. The warranty is extended too, the basic powertrain warranty, engine and transmission. There's an extension on that too. It's a very good program. We strongly believe in it here at Competition Subaru, and you know, we try to make as many CPOs available to you as possible. I hope to see you soon. Thank you.